Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you what to do if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So if you're looking for a trick that lets you unblock yourself from someone else's account, then here's the truth. You cannot legitimately remove another person's block yourself. So the person who blocked you controls that settings on your account. And if you believe you've been blocked by mistake, then you can contact the person through another appropriate method and ask them to unblock you. You can also check whether the issue is actually a block by searching for the profile while logged into your account, and if appropriate, checking whether the profile is visible from another account. Then you should avoid websites or apps claiming they can automatically unblock you, as these services cannot legitimately control another person's Instagram settings and may put your account at risk. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.